Yeah. Yeah. Oh my, what a wonderful time.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raya Elena, and welcome. Today we are on the way to main event, so it's gonna be so much fun. It snowed like 2 days ago, so the roads are still like super icy and scary, but the mountains look so beautiful right now. They're all snowy and cute. I am so excited that it snowed. We didn't get any snow last year, except I hate the cold. Anyway, we are on the way to main event. My whole fam is there, so that's gonna be so exciting. We're gonna have like an epic laser tag. Whenever we go to main event, that's usually all we do is laser tag. Anyway, I'm just gonna focus on driving because it's kind of crazy right now. So I'll talk to you guys once I get to main event. And we made it. So we're here bowling right now at main event. I accidentally went for my cousin and I got her 8 points. So I told her, you better not mess this up for me, because I let her go for me. She goes, doesn't even throw it right. It curves and gets a strike. You're the best. So we up here, me with the strike. Let's go, Ju. That was amazing. What the heck? Just got finished bowling. I won. We got some pool going on. Wow! We're about to go into laser tag. This is going to be a huge game. There's so many people in line right now. So I got my laser. I'm Harry Potter. Who are you?
Star Fox.
Who's that?
I don't know.
We're making a secret
I trust you guys.
Alliance.
a secret alliance over here.
But she doesn't know the word.
Shut up.
It's the same little girl. Get her. Get her. We don't play games on here. Do you want to join our alliance? Yeah.
Okay, cool. We've got some people. We gotta shoot up there. That's where the reds are. The reds are up there. And he's shooting. I got people on both sides of me. I see some reds over there. Right there. Oh, heck to the no. Raven! I just got shot, but I'm Raven. Oh, shoot her. She just stood there and let me shoot her. There they are. We see you. We see you. Reds are coming down here. Let's make a run for upstairs. Go. All right. We've made it to our team.
He's invincible.
At this moment that he knew, he f***ed up.
He's...
Oh, it's a face-off. It's a face-off. He's coming through.
I'm trying to trick him.
Cover. Who was that? Get him, Sierra. Get him, Sierra.
At this moment that he knew, he f***ed up.
Get him. Get him.
Yeah, the game is over.